Alam mo ba na hindi naman masama ang taba sa katawan? Body fat is not the enemy. It's actually part of God's design for our survival. When God created us, sinigurado niya na meron tayong energy bank. Body fat yon. No food, no problem. Your body burns stored fat para may fuel ka pa rin. Malamig ang environment, the fat insulates you, parang natural na jacket. Nagkasakit ka, your fat storage release energy para makalaban ng immune system mo. So yes, fat is a blessing kung tama ang amount. Kailan nagiging masama ang taba? When we overfeed ourselves with sugar, processed foods, and constant eating, fat starts to build up beyond its purpose. Yung dating protector, nagiging trigger. Too much body fat, especially sa tiyan, acts like an organ na naglalabas ng inflammatory chemicals. Ibig sabihin, parang may silent fire sa loob ng katawan mo. Inflammation na yan ang nagiging ugat ng high blood, fatty liver, insulin resistance, at marami pang metabolic illness. Hindi yan body positivity ha, kundi your body is actually crying for help. God didn't design fat to destroy you. He designed fat to serve you. Pero kapag lumabes, it's like turning your shield into a weapon against yourself. Hindi po ang taba usapin ng figura. Ito po ay usapin ng inflammation. So stop listening to the world's confusion about all fat is bad or all fat is beautiful. Balance is truth. Take care of your body the way Creator intended. Fuel it wisely, move it daily, and honor it fully. Because real self-love, it's not about accepting sickness. It's about respecting God's design.